By 2030, the price of Bitcoin Cash BCH is expected to be between $1,209.56 and $2,284.73. Market examiners could hit 940.77 by 2025, except for BCH bearish. The best guess for the price of Bitcoin Cash on the market in 2023 is $215.03. Showing Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Bitcoin Cash is one of the most well-known changes to the original Bitcoin network. The idea for the cryptographic money came from people who didn't like where Bitcoin was going, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's original plan for it to work as a computerized store. The creation of Bitcoin Cash, which works more like cash than a place to store a lot of value, sparked a heated argument between Bitcoin supporters and people who thought Bitcoin should have been able to trade more quickly and easily around this time. Spend a lot of time and energy on it. Even though the coin's price has the normal market unpredictability, many people think that its future will be better and that it will be of more use in the years to come. What is Bitcoin Cash, BCH? Even though it isn't the most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin Cash is a well-known and important fork of the digital currency. It's interesting to see that the digital currency split into Bitcoin Cash ABC and Bitcoin Cash SV in November 2018. Satoshi Vision. This shows that people are ready to keep Bitcoin and digital currencies as a whole moving forward, but BCH's forking was easy. During a stress test in September 2018, each block on the Bitcoin Cash network saw 25,000 trades. Roger Ver, who started this fork, has been spreading the idea that Bitcoin's author, Satoshi Nakamoto, was the one who made a computerized currency that could work. Defenders of Bitcoin Cash say that the change in Bitcoin's block size will let people use Bitcoin as a normal exchange method and give it a chance to compete with big companies like Visa that charge huge fees to handle global exchanges. Bitcoin Cash is worth $268.78 right now. As of right now, BCH has moved 2.13, and there have been 491,820,488 trades. With a market value of $5 billion, $345,533,403 USD, Bitcoin Cash is now the 14th most valuable digital currency. Using the general strength file RSI moving weighted normal MWA Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity mapped from the above model, we can figure out whether we are having a bullish or negative year by looking at the cost designs for Bitcoin Cash BCH. Our price estimates are based on real-time data from the Bitcoin Cash BCH market, which is updated live on our site. This lets us give dynamic price estimates and views of Bitcoin Cash BCH price prediction for 2023 from some points of view. Bitcoin Cash is one of the most impressive digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH price forecast for 2023 predicts a huge rise in the last part of the year, possibly hitting 403.17. This is similar to the rise of other cryptographic currencies. Will be steady, but there aren't likely to be any big drops. The average price of BCH is expected to be 376.29, which is very high, but it's possible soon because of expected coordinated efforts and progress. The price of BCH is expected to reach 671.96 by the end of 2024. But there's a lot of room for growth because of expected announcements of new organizations and projects. Before making any bullish bets, we should wait to see if the BCH's general strength record moves out of the oversold zone. Bets on how likely it is that BCH will trade will have a basic exchange rate of $537.56 and an average exchange rate of $591.32. Hopes for the value of Bitcoin Cash, BCH. If the trend stays the same until 2025, the year will be 2025. It could reach 940.74 cents, and if the market goes down, BCH could gain. In 2025, BCH is predicted to trade at an average price of $860.10 and a low price of $806.35. This means that the goal may not be reached. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast for 2026. Given that Bitcoin Cash does a good job of promoting market opinion among people who are interested in digital currencies, we think that BCH will turn green in 2026, so the price of a coin could stay the same for the next 5 years. In 2026, the BCH is likely to hit and pass its all-time high. In 2026, the imaginary cash will be worth $1,209.52, with a starting price of $1,075.13 and an average price of $1,128.88. Hopes for the value of Bitcoin Cash, BCH. We think that the BCH cost will cross an average value level of $1,397.67 by 2027, with a base cost of $1,343.91 expected before the end of the year. This is based on a lot of research and a lot of guesswork. Also, the highest value of BCH is $1,478.30. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2028 because it represents things that are likely to happen by 2028. We expect that a bullish pattern will continue to push the average price up to around $1,666.45. If BCH is able to break the safe level in 2028, the highest price could be $1,747.08. If BCH doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, the lowest price could be $1,612.69. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Expectation 2029. While BCH is trying to make it easier for companies to work together, the bullish pattern from last year is likely to continue. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people selling their digital tokens for a profit. But traders are still optimistic because a lot of money is coming into Toronto's Purpose Bitcoin ETF, which shows that market demand is high. The digital tokens were also backed by a positive decision from a U.S. court. Bitcoin was licking its wounds from the weekend as the largest cryptocurrency made small gains to keep its price above $30,000. Its biggest competitor, Ethereum, was also a little bit higher, but stayed below $1,950. Prices for active altcoins were all over the place, but they were mostly on the low end. After a federal court ruled in favor of Ripple,